Hi, my name is Tony Asakura. I'm Managing Director of Sony India Software Center. At Sony India Software Center, employee experience is our identity. Our HR team reviews employee sentiment weekly to ensure that every voice influences our culture.
I think as early as last week, there's an employee who's at high risk and he kind of wrote a whole lot of things. And the first thing he said when we were having an in-person conversation with him was implementing Amber was the best thing that has happened in Sony here in India.
At the only entity deploying Amber and the AI-first HR, we are setting a global benchmark for more human and connected workplace.
Pre-Amber, we used to have the HR meet up with employees on a regular basis, but it's impossible to cover the whole population.
Continuous listening was not happening for us as HR business partners. So we wanted to explore agentic AIs who could help us with this. Of course, we did have a review with other vendors, but we decided to go ahead with Amber because of the ease of handling the tool was really good for us as HR partners, as well as for an employee. The chat experience was really good, and I don't think we regret it. The overall engagement score in SISC has been about 84. The NPS is about 43, and the overall mood score is about 4.3, which is phenomenal.
Whenever we have somebody flagged as an at-risk case, right, people to meet is what it is called on Amber. The business partners immediately acknowledge the chat, and the touch point, that is a person meeting that particular employee, is almost in a day or two. I would definitely give credit to Amber for identifying these top talent and helping us retain them.
Other best feature I would say is the silent people feature. Though your PTM shows who are your high risk, your silent people are equally risky because they are not bothered to even answer a survey for months together.
From the employees, the feedback about Amber has been positive. The youngsters love the speed and loves the fact that they're not reached out to when there is no need.
As for managers, they do not get to see the individual chats. However, they do get to see the dashboards of their team's responses. So these dashboards are like mirrors reflecting the actual sentiment and the pulse of the team from the ground level. Listening is just one part of the story. I would like to touch upon the time consumed earlier for the number of policy queries that used to come to the HR. But with AI Assist in picture, it has become a lot easier for both the employees as well as for the HR, leading to employee satisfaction. In cases where the policy queries are not been resolved, it is auto-assigned to a ticketing agent, and the ticketing agent responds to the employee within a day or two. This has resulted in almost 84% of the policy query being answered by AI Assist, saving 100 days of HR time, which is like phenomenal.
What Amber really does is delivers action. We really cannot think of not having Amber anymore. It's doing a lot of our work, and it is giving an opportunity for the business partners to work in a more strategic way with the business teams.